Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Folks, here is a nice family van. If you're looking for something that is solid and reliable, this is a 2-owner Southern Toyota Sienna with 192,000 miles. This is an LE. We just got this one in, so we'll be doing a few things to it, but I'm selling it as is cosmetically. On the outside, the paint job is pretty much toast, but the car runs great and the inside is immaculate. You got excellent tires in the rear. We're about to put 2 new tires on the front. The AC is ice cold, and this does have the 8-seater capacity. So it's got the small jump seat that goes in the middle. And I'll show that in just a moment. The inside is amazing, very clean. Good cold air. Thank the Lord on a day like this. 192,000 miles. Radio works good. Transmission shifts exactly like it should. Very smoothly. It does have a backup camera there. It has your garage door opener programmer is built in. Your power door switch is there, and the right power door does not work, so it will be sold with a manual power door. It works just fine by hand, but it doesn't open with the power switch. It just does that and beeps, but it works just fine by hand. The driver's side power door works just like it should. Hey. You got your owner's manual in there, and I do have 2 sets of keys with the keyless remote as well. Let me show you the back area. I love how the seating operates in these Siennas. You've got tons of space because it has this awesome seat track that goes all the way from up there to all the way back here. And if there are no 3rd row passengers on a trip, for instance, you can slide as far back as you like. I can almost kick my legs up. I'm 6 feet tall, and there's about 1.5 feet of space here for me. So really good setup for traveling with a family, particularly a tall person. Interior door panels, everything else are in great shape. As you can see, there's well, this one's down in the door. I'll have to get that pulled out. On this side, it does have your shades for the 2nd and 3rd row to help keep the heat out. So folks, if you're looking for a very, very nice family van, please think about us. Give us a call here, 803-853-4300, turnagemotorco.com. Thanks for watching.